What do you want? What do you really, really want? I ask people this question all the time. What is it that you want to create with your life? Now hold up, I didn't say what don't you want. I said what do you want? And when I go to ask them this question, they can't even tell me what they want. Or a lot of the time I get people go, wow, Kruze, I've never even had someone ask me what do I want? How do you expect to manifest and get what you want out of life if you can't clearly define, write down, and ask the universe for what you want with specificity and clarity like a crystal ball, and actually share that with other people and write it down? It's just impossible. It's just clown world that you're going to be able to do that. So you need to get super clear on what you want. Where you want to be is the easiest place to start. Like, where do you want to be 12 months from now? Where do you want to be in 90 days time? Where do you want to be in the next 7 days? And what does a successful day look like today? And that's going to allow you to start putting a plan in place and start taking steps towards what you want.